Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I recently posted that I found a Lazy Susan at my local Ace Hardware, and it was gonna go on my 3-tier tray. I love this because a lot of the times I'll put stuff that little things that I need, and I'll put it on the tray, and it's easier to grab it when I need it. So my little Dollar Tree 3-tier tray, and we're going to see. I'm just going to attach it just like that, and whatever goes on there, we'll weight it down, and it should, look at that, already it's better. So I'm going to remove the sticker and get some hot glue. I'm just going to use hot glue. That way, if I change my mind and I want to use something else, I could do that, and it'll be easier to pull apart. I don't know if I told you this was a $9 purchase as compared to if I went to Dollar Tree, and my Dollar Tree, if they only had it, it would have been a little more affordable for me. But I held out as long as I could, try to wait for them to bring it in, but they said they never carried it, and I was like, all right, I gotta give in, I'll just get it. So yeah, let me get some Windex. I don't know how else to make it pretty, but I'm trying to think of what I can do and see if I could make this a little prettier. But I don't know, we'll see. I don't think it matters. So I'm just cleaning off the surface, get the greases off there. Grease. Okay. And either it was my fingernail or this. I thought I saw a crack, but no. All right. Looks like it's in perfect condition. So let me see how it will sit on here. I don't know where to put. If you want to make it permanent, you can also go ahead and use E6000, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so here we are. We have it, and I'm just going to see where it's touching. So it's a very thin edge, really thin. So right at the very edge is where I'm going to. None of the bottom touches the tray, the Lazy Susan. So just the edges will be securing this to the Lazy Susans. So I'm thinking out loud. Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna get the very edge. There's a little ridge right here. You feel like it's supposed to keep it from slipping off on the tables. I'm just gonna put it at the very edge. And let's go from there. Oh, my glue gun is still running cold. Try to make it faster because I know it's not going to catch. So we'll get it cooled off before you know it. And it already stopped. Oh boy. There we go. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Yeah. It could have been better, but it's actually not too bad. And that's it, guys. That's a little wonky. That's okay. We're just gonna go with that. Yeah. And like I said, if I'm not happy with it, it'll come up, because the funny thing is the hot glue won't hold it for permanent. So, all right. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just mainly to finish up my tray and put it up on a Lazy Susan. Now I can enjoy my little caddy here and put this to good use. So, okay, here it is. I put all my stuff back onto my caddy, and let me just lift you guys up here. I'm sorry for shaking you all, but so I got the Lazy Susan together. And the other thing I did, if y'all could see, the top of my caddy, there used to be the dish, the center dish here for the dip. So I took my glue gun and I started making holes all the way around to cut out the bottom of the clear tray. And then I used the hot glue to smooth out my edges so that way I don't get scratched or cut, because this plastic is so hard. If you crack it, it could give you a sharp edge. And so I used the glue gun to give me a smoother edge. Well, I don't want to say smoother, but a not sharp edge. And I can use this to put more of my craft supplies in there. And mostly I really wanted to get like my scissors down in there, and my ruler, maybe, just to get, you know, the everyday things that I always go to get them off of my shelf. I could use this. So my metal rulers, scissors, everyday scissors, and look at that. And now this becomes a very useful spot. I'm sorry, I cannot talk. Well, there it is, my so-called caddy, and it's finally finished, and I'm so happy that I could spin the thing and get to what I want when I want it. And I just, you know, it'll be so much more useful. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all for real on the next video. Bye for now.